Don't sorry. You're gonna take the next week. Obrigado, someday, mother, they are not home. They. But I'm bad. Oh, granny, with your fucking 900 years. Food up your head. What the hell's going on in here? Hey. Hoi, hoi. Did it? Oh, that already. I don't know what I'll tell here.
She's annoying, right, stuff? I don't care. Alright, look at this. Ow! Holy shit!
Wow. Kommst du krass rüber oder so? Machst du Pizza oder was? Kommt krass scheiße, Alter. Weißt du warum? Kriegst du immer die Darmschmerzen oder so?
Fett krass brennt mein Ofen ab.
Ich stelle mir die scheiß Bilder vor, das regt mich langsam auf.
Steh jetzt davor. Hey, feiern! Mach mir noch eine halbe, auch sehr gemütlich. Komm ich dann drauf, ey, aus dem Feuerlöscher, ey, bin ich mal wieder voll drauf. Interessiert mich nicht, lass dich brennen. Brennen.
And hello and welcome back to CarX Part 2, Part 274. We did these this time actually on DjVolgin account, so a bit jammed on about my 112 cars we have in here, and a little testifying, you know, just going online, but actually I don't want to be going online but there's always a good point to say go online because you get actually a little bit like of 25% more XP, you know, and XP I need to actually grow up to this level to 30 to get this plotting done with this game. That's actually it. So join in, have fun, or just give me some questions. Question. Bogot. CarX DRO. Why is it calling right now DR? Where's the online? And then they just saying some kind 2070 as the born of the game here in the console. Found out 2014 or something this game. Found out some words the online mode is discriminating the game itself to say since 2017 it still calls drift racing only. But wrong. Story. Yum ash about actually compound that's just working in alone, of course. Already had my third beer drunk today, soiled in, sift in. Gosh, it's just the ash actually from the work today again. I'm dealing with it tomorrow and Friday and Saturday, and I hope I'm done then getting away the stuff. What you telling me, mate? You're delayed like YouTube always delayed. The Twitch already know why. I just want to do the day. Already there, you live stream actually before you know that you live streaming. That's Twitch. You pump around.
There, you live stream actually before you.
The crack, man. I was listening with the cell phone in the compound, actually some music. That's why it's so annoying loud with that bony cell phone here. Any bigger or something? What was that? Hell. Oh shit, what's wrong with this new cell phone? Oh, here we go. Nice Wednesday.
Hello all.
What we got here? Bluetooth. Ah, that's new. Blaue Zähne. That's crack. What's that? Careful where you wear, you know the stuff. So this is it. Wo ist das? GRO, Motherfucker. Ist nicht da, Junge. Wo ist DRO? Da ist es. Your playlist, my homeboy. I stay in Germany. Me, my pants are full. The other one says it's just harmful. Dang, I need to... Whatever. Please connect with your computer system. Your cell phone is gonna be to explode. Oh. Here we go. Is rating soundcore music devices. Ja, vad sa man? Helt långt. Akkurat säkert bara. Yeah, exactly. Tissue. Noise paper. Nose paper. It's not paper and then handkerchief. Yeah, son of a. Right by the bed. Huh? Arigato domo. Anthony. That was so bright if I take on the light, mate. Just jam. Coming back. Warmarimas. Installation. Drift. Cheap in hands. Salting to address test drive. Oh, yes, not man. Test drive granted. Nighttime available. If these are just doing that as well. Sittest du nicht schon, Bettling? Oh, where's my tequila, goddamn? I'm not starting up without the tequila. Tequila! So I need to watch myself. Can be going weirdo again. With somebody having a pizza over gut actually in the oven. It's gonna be maybe the black side. But since I have actually the only upper side as the oven heats, because the oven just died actually half, I need to burn them first, the fruits and all these vegetables and all, and then making it to a taco sidewise after actually one race, sending it to the other side, and done is the taco pizza. And then I'm opening it up again and feed it with salad. Diary in the compound morning, eh? Aren't you? Well, the pants are just half full all the times. The shoes, man. The shoes, there's still a lot of, space. Let it rill in. Not run, but rill. Soiling in. Now I'm standing in front of the toilet, and as I'm getting older and older, nothing is coming. Come on, dude! Sprinkle, my friend! In hurry! Don't drop that actually like the last time. God damn it, man! Still feel the needles actually to pull it on again. Oh gosh. Oh, my eyes, man. The inside, I better say, well, you can't get away from your eyes. It's just black, watery stuff. Ashy day. Come on, dude, before I shit myself. Pee! Oh. The earplug You know, it's always the right side that's just getting out. I don't know why it does that. Maybe my love muscle is actually on the right side. When I'm scringing or lutnessing, I losing my earplug. You know, that sticks normally in the ears and not actually somewhere else in that headset. Turning around itself by the cinematic music.
Yo, grandfather, you just told something? I'm a little bit hanging here. What you just saying, mate? Oh gosh, I think I broke my spine.
Alright. Open up a beer. Gosh. Hope everything's set it off. Yeah, here we go. Okay. I hate that when I'm talking and neighbors actually listen to that double voice my voice. Oh man, that's cold.
Hey, what the hell? You're looking like a little popophilic guy of a Mac.
Having neck problems? Greetings to neither the bad.
Pum.
Oh. Wonder myself, right? January there was 3 or 4 times, 4 times or 5 times, even nosebleed. I must have nodded. Not right now anymore. We're hanging. Oh, we have to watch out the Muya. Okay, I got it. I got it. Siggy.
Sick cigarette. Pum.
So was it down below or was it this one? Okay, that wasn't 69. I can't remember. Was that the core? Can't remember. Some of these it was, but I can't really remember.
Oots.
Oh man, that's the wrong fire toy. Oh crack, man. There was one fire toy. It's kind of has gas, but ain't fired up. What the hell is that meaning?
I'm shot, nigga.
There we go.
Complete depleted.
What's the neighbor saying? Alright, I'm working on. It's here, listen. Get this off. Okay. Alright, that's not the car. That's the sound. And that's the car.
Bring back my man. Bring back my man.
The music for you guys. I didn't get was censored actually yesterday on YouTube on my other account, Devination CB, as I did that actually 2 hours long. Smaller the sound of the car, but hard up the music.
Enjoy.
Oh man, I have to fight with his nose, man. It's naughty shit. All this ash is coming out. Boy. Ready, work. Nope. They ain't that drinking. 14 minutes already run off. You was nice.
Pum.
itch.
Nighty.
Gambarmas. Oh, I'll be in trouble. My God. I'll watch the guy in the back. Yeehaw. Hello. Holy mother, hold that. We're watching tonight. Why is the car so going far from the line? Oh my gosh. We still have time left. And again, deja vu. HDD is actually hanging a bit. Flame show, dude. I didn't know that actually the tires have worn off, I think. Guy of a Mac. Seriously, light on. Dude, you know I hate that. Look what's going on with you. You're not seeing yourself actually like in the grave like this one here, like blinded up. Oh my god, he's totally destroyed. Oh. I don't know what are the street tires, mate. Nah, I'm talking myself now again. Hanging too much around actually with myself, right? What a joke. Yeah. Who cleans my motherfucking underburger day? Next. Vehicle. You again. I'm on. Pom pom pom. Hairy Mac, huh? Bony ass. Thinking about running something with these things, you know? Shit. She's up Kampagne Robbie Salute, Salute, Gold, Rosen, Disney. Looky, looky. Start them up. No, I don't think so. I don't want to put mid in here. Sorry. Oh, my shyness. Saw something shimmer. Gambarmas. know what you're doing, hon. You 60 tonight? You're with you, kid. Another landing in the sea. What's going on? Why are you doing it again, huh? What the hell? Excuse me. Give me a word. That's what I'm talking about, the loud music, man. Shovel up yours. Hey, what the hell? It's a second car to use a 360. Normally I'm very comfortable to drive it. Drifting it. It's like actually you're flying in an airplane, right? You say actually in Germany you're driving with the airplane, right? So kind of this shit. So you're racing it, right? Actually you're drifting it. Need to watch my Psn. Be right back. Thank you very much. You watch it a little while around. The very German shovel ass. Yeah. What did I put up? Alright, oh yeah, hey, even, what the fuck? Hey, good. Oh my god, I came on an idea. If you only have actually the oven actually up there, it burns. I have down below actually some paper, right? That I use actually for baking. And it reflects actually the heat down below. Woo! Nice! Good idea. Oh, Taco Express is coming. I think that would be salad I can forget. Never will get these up. Hope we can create it anyway, so it's getting a mess. Okie dokie, that's it. Oh, let it brim. 0 and off. Yeah, it's drinking time. Yay. Something to say? At the court of tequila, la vida? Oh gosh. Shut up. You've been spooky insane of this fucking insanity of your stomach actually not the bad as inside crawling in. Smoking my cigarette all done. You fool. Next vehicle, I love to say that. Over 75. I say next vehicle. Oh gosh, are you listening even to myself? Hold on a sec. Let me check out something. Why is it actually twisty and turny? What did I change? Nothing. Okay, Grandpa. Foo. Pum. What the hell? A little bit. Alright, that's it. That's the big problem here. Got you on your nose. I saw something else actually. Are you dead inside? Living? Hello. Oh. Money. Oh, what the? It already has 1,200 BHP. Okay, that is confusing. Confusing!
Wait.
Oh, works a bit better. Not making me a 360 anymore, right? Woocha. Chop, chop, chop. Catch you later. There we go again. Why I'm doing this? Take the full effort. Oh, it's a small car, I know that, so. Stick this thing. Alright, we release it like that. Alright, I can hear my echoes in my headset. Oh gosh, the earplugs. I just want to rip them off and somewhere else to pull in. What, another car? Over 1,000? Oh, come on, undrivable. Look at that ATM. 2.4, 4.5. Holy shoot. It's going to a 2.8 or something, this crack. I think I got you, mate. Let's see. Fixing your plugs. Ah, that's better. It's no, I don't can hear me. Oh, what is that, dude? Shame lame. Nighttime. I'm driving so much nighttime right now since actually over 1.5 years since I'm playing this 2.5 years now plus. This is so, I don't know what's, sometimes I'm online, right, and they are actually on daylight. I can't actually drift anymore in daylight. I feel totally lost. And maybe that's very fine as if you do a dealing with driver license stuff, you know. And what's the problem, man? You have a hanger or something? Oh, creep, man. There we go. So better you actually in the daylight, actually you're joining in with drifting, you're saying a no because you don't have a rotation or something with your vehicle on the streets. So dumb dual ass moment, right? Whatever. My thinking, you know. Actually I'm watching some nudity calendar here. So what happened? Beer, drinking. PsN ID DefRekka. Actually calling Sternburg Export, but I was saying PsN ID DefRekka to that beer. None? Oh, arigato. Oh, that's fine, nice. Brave cell phone.頑張ります. Bisschen schnippisch das Auto, ne? Was haben wir denn hier? Annihilation remix. I mean revenge. What happened here? Under 2 minutes, hey, that was good. Sweet. Zombies who already have open again on Valentine's Day. Lame at home. Racing online. Are you seeing this, YouTube? Drift Racing Online. Hombre. Now they say CarX Drift Racing Light. Are you understanding us? Dealing with this game since 2017. Now they're saying CarX Racing Light. Oh my hellness. Get you a room and kick your ass, mate. I mean, slice up your throat here then. Here comes the trickster. Ba 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 ba. What the hell is that? A conversation? 3 versus 1? Oh man, look at how scared she is! 3 person versus 1? Oh, what the hell is going on here? An officer? Someone actually from a clan from school out, and some seriously pissed off guy from neighborhood? Maybe a family father? Scaring a young girl here. Look at her scary face! What's wrong with this shit? Get flattened though or something's cracked. Oh, she got pepper spray. Well, no. She's a bit loosey here in her pocket. Grace, you're dealing with CarX Drift Racing Online, not with Drift Racing. I'll say it again. Racing Light. What is wrong with you? That's the original title, god dang. Oh man. Where myself? Hello? Shoot. I'm gone. Self-destructive car or something? I'm gone. There we go. Nothing to see in here. Oh. Okay. Even I'm listening to music over Spotify earplugs, but it's SoundCloud over Spotify. I'm using in my earplugs, right over the earplugs. I can still actually, that's so the amazing thing about the noise destructor or something, getting away. To the game I'm listening! Even the game sound, everything is fine at. Twice the mic, twice actually the earplugs or headset on, or was that sound input in your brain? Directly, of course. They needled me! Next vehicles. Carnage. Yo, Rossi time he was looking better, god dang. Well, just dripping with you, man. I'm missing DjVolgin account. Cheers up, Kapanisch, Robbie Salusa, Luis Balbera, next stream. Ah, come on, not that time right now. See what's powering in me. So the raisin. Nürburgring saying? We got a bit space free. Daylight only. Oh, it's 20 minutes I'm listening to that song. It's actually not a song, it's like more like a beat or something. Hold on.
Here's your private link if you have Spotify available.
Just let me get that on, man.
Enjoy.
URL.
Kabate! Oh man, my old days are just counted or something. Oh, crack. My young times, I mean. Oh, my hell. Did I just already say my spine already broken? Hello, something? Emergency car? Nobody just listening to me.
That's just actually that bony guy over here. He lost his voice or something. Punk. Oh god, but Mag, you will kill me over the night, I know that. Cheers up. Shoot.
Yes, maybe I should do it. Yeah.
Oh, I need a beer. I told you that I'm a Bavarian German. Actually, you know, these kind of construction work like beer. Calls alcoholic, goddammit. Shut up, goddammit. Ah, hell. Wonder where actually my cigarettes are. Oh, hell no. Here we go. I hate that to actually duck down or something. You already drink actually a beer. Bah. Kind of close to phone medicine, this crack. Shit. Earplugs. Gambarmas. You as well. Oh gosh. What's wrong with this account? I don't worry actually more on that Nation CD account much more as in here. I'm a fool. Where are we going, sweetie? Gosh, what's wrong with the tire work here? Did they change something on the physics? Can't remember like that one happens. Maybe I'm too much tuned up today in my brain tonight. Up to the bawling music or something's cracked. Oh, come on, honey, why are you doing this to me? Alright, it's losing tears. Shit.
Having a little.
What happened to that tire though? All the cars right now. Did it change something's crack? Shoot. That's weird. Oh, such a nice beat. I have to watch actually about this tuning, about this, you know, suspension work. Nail. Går det ska det bara. Nur schauen wir mal, hat er gesagt, was da in dem Scheißkübel drin steckt. Oh, meine Schlüssel vom Haustür. Oh, here we go, that's the solution. We have one. Nothing else actually here to presentate. That is actually too much, but I am... I'm good. Here we go. Again. Are you melting me down? It's gonna change. I think it's because you go on online sometimes and they change it here. Like the 100% of your tire burn, right? You burn off by actually 90%. If you get a back tire right now, burn off. Having street tires, having extra drift tires, and having pro drift tires on. Well, those street tires are chilling up actually the drift. That's why I'm in here, drifting. Put the side, eh? Witchy Palm Best 2234. Normally more, but you know, 88. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure about that one. 77 or 88. No, I let it. I let it be. Do not touch a running system. Hello, honey girl. Bump, bump, bump. Bump, bump. Surely show up. Why? That's so fucked up, mate. What the hell you just did in here? Oh man, the L2 button is a little bit gluey. What is that? A 1099? Couldn't decide, huh? What about actually 1111? Guess what? Hold on, we may get that. That new UI is pissing me a bit off, but maybe get it. Okay, close. Closer. Oh, again these 1099? Oh, come on. Ah, shit. God dang it. Alright, again that's same. Oh, that's too much. Oh man, hanging around with the 4-horsey BGP or something's cracked. Are you kidding me? Ah, you really like me, eh, aren't you? Okay, let's try again. Oh, mother in hell. Oh, that's okay. I'm living with this. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Are you fucking insane? Can you drift that vehicle then? Okay, let's try. Why just did that actually for 2 years? That is weird. Oh man, on the cargo truck I understand, but... Let's see what's hanging up. That is the weirdest thing. 18 Newton meters per tire. Okay. Jam in. Somber. Astron. I'm on. I was close to say nighttime, but no. Not Atron, I mean. Astron. What's the digits I gave up, right? The score. Yeah. So far, so good. Need to call someone, I know that. Already called actually a lot of people, actually my boss should do. Why am I doing this right now? That music is awesome! Cheers up, Campano Short. Salut, salut, Gold, raus, nicht schnell spielen. Salute. Solemos. Grandiro. Passé. Ready for impact! Oh my gosh! I'm the fine ass with this one. Is it really the 80k? 80 newton meters. The tire. Let's see. Actually, I'll pump it up at 66. Every car tonight somehow feels like they're drifting too far away. You know, just gone in the forenet. Well, let's see what's going on. I don't really. I'm actually testifying every car, but so maybe they changed something in here. As I remember, for a month ago, the car was working very well. Can't get this one. Get that one. That's fun ass. What the hell? Oh, it's Valentine's Day. 69. Must be a please. Another test, please. God damn it, I'm driving that car so much. And I know it's actually working very well, but I don't know what's going on in here. Not that quitter boy. Getting fresh in here. Need my jacket. Oh. Getting old, getting fatter. Teased very fast actually by coldness and heating. 20 years of alcoholic. Yeah, something like this crack. 122. Wow, even with the jacket, man. So we actually about 120, 240 pounds right now. LBS. Rump bump bump. I was at the dentist today. I was sweating. I was too early. I was jumping up before 11 o'clock, right? I was told myself, let's go 10 minutes after 11. I was on the computer system watching some videos from, yeah, what was that? That German ZDF stuff. Satire, parody. And I just, the show ends. I say, I'm too late or something. I didn't watch the computer clock. Not my cell phone, and it was carrying anyway with me, because when I'm going to the dentist, I'm not carrying a cell phone with. And so, I just was going normal and slow because I was thinking, okay, maybe we're too early. And then I saw the clock from far away, actually, the you know, church clock. I say, oh my gosh, it's not even 11. Oh my gosh. You know, you get that meeting actually at 11:30. So I just walked in this direction, turned around, and just got another block, came back, and it was actually 11:10 or something. I say, oh my gosh. Can't do this again, I'm already sweating. So I was going in. So I was waiting a long time, and you know, and then he came in, you know, the dentist. I just asked actually, oh my god, what took you so long? You know, then he was saying, oh, I'm so sorry. It was so complicated, you know, for other persons. Actually, you get these, you know, teeth and chews done and stuff, and there's no regular time to invite you or something. And I was saying, oh, sorry, that was actually not what I want to hear, because I just was actually rounded the block already. I was so early today, as I didn't do that at the Monday this week. And so he was laughing because he understand my problem. So I was the early guy, and I was waiting 20 minutes on him. And I was saying all the time after that, I don't want to disturb you on your break time 12 o'clock because we're 20 minutes in front of it, something like this, you know. So I was so fucked up. Oh, God damn it, this dentist, brutal awesome. You feel the pain and all this stuff, but if you're already actually, since the last 6 years now, over 200 times in the dentist, you don't care. Just need to be ice cold. Sometimes he asking, you okay? And I just blinking. And then actually some of these part of the tooth just flied around the room, and I was showing the girl's eyes, and I was popping the eyes back as well as like a dead person. I like that. And now I'm good. So the right side is actually finished, now the left side, and then the front. And so until actually my birthday, I'm through with it, and I should regularly going because 100%ly everything on my tooth just get actually paid off. Just buying, actually sell myself for saying $40 something a month you're paying in 6 months, and so can happen whatever it wants, and everything's actually, you don't have to pay for that then. But $40, you know, I mean, I'm done this year with all the stuff. Is it really provable, or saying that, you know, they're normally costing more than $10,000 if you're done with it, but over the years you're paying $40 a month, right? Well, I don't care. Smoking 2 boxes lesser, or just drinking lesser, maybe eating not so much like I'm doing, actually like 2 portions, it's like portions, better say, like the saying actually, okay, you're eating like you have a girlfriend already. I'm eating like that, you know, comfortable vegetable stuff, all these crack, not like all these meat. And but this is I like to eat. Informable, I say, my body system, god damn it, I'm getting fat, getting old. I'm ashamed for that one. Not this kind of shame body or body shaming or something. It's like these, you're getting just fat, and I don't like to see that. Already need actually an XXL t-shirt, you know. This is much enough, or 3XL, better say. If it's comfortable. It's so disgusting, mate. My times are run off. As I started off with 6 years to, you know, to work, I was talking to myself actually in the compound by a beer. Normally my rent is not 67, it's actually 55, because I started on my work by 6 years, right? At the farmerhood. Okay. What a controller, man. 頑張ります。 But I have to say, this track is not beloved with all the cars. Like the ice track actually on... Somebody calling it? No. On these red ring... Hold on, what's that name? Winter Red Ring then? So I had to say I'm a little bit annoyed about these American muscles that they can drive actually these e-tron, that's normal. So I'm pissed off by having a new setup and it's working. What we're dealing actually the Viper now with the open up and far away track like the racetrack. Now I got a setup, okay, but that is actually for e-tron a bit. But it's a stupid car right now. Don't want to move. Oh gosh, okay, here we go. Okay, I can't move that one. It's actually okay. Here we go, pump it up then. Next vehicle. Oh, don't build it. Nah, just, you know, it's illegal. Illegal street car. No, I don't think so. Show up your terms. Your street meetings. Where you got problems? Okay, see San Fran. Pump it up in here. He already was in here. How many points? 7707. Okay. A 2 and then okay, a 2. Let's do this one and just go West Coast for fun. San Francisco.
We are rising.
What did that say? E8 and man. I'm in trouble all the times with an E8 and a small car. 360 turning, inclusive. Yo, what's up? Tequila Hat Bunkerer. Gava Mag. Dole. Okay, de har lost caps. Hats. Tschüss auf Kampagne Show. Wie soll ich gerade berosten die Schneck spielen? I think I need to actually sample myself, but I need to get beer. My last one. Oh, hell. Oh, the sunglasses are looking great. I wish we like one of these. Kind of you're having water in your sunglasses and at the same time a sandy sunglass shining. You know, love that. Bra stuff. He's crack, mate. Need a beer. I can't burp today. Mostly impossible. The pizza's smelling good. What should we got in here? Beer, sausage, beer, omelette. Fridge just closed. Supermarket that just was, and I just found someone. Looking good, nice. Couldn't talk to her. She was spending around with her girlfriend. What the hell's going on? They was taking actually some spirituos. I think it was vodka or Smirnoff or some this crack. Oh, but what the hell? They're not looking like actually like 21 years old or something. As I was coming home, and she was looking actually at me a bit weird, I was saw actually my ash stuff working today. Finally, was giving me a relief, actually some kind inner the eyes. So I was looked actually like in Germany we calling about foshing. It's traditional stuff or something this coming up. Or was it already? I don't know. So I was looking like a clown, ash in the face, you know. I was so weird. I came home. I thought actually I was in a fight, actually, wiggled. Black eye, you know, black eye, peace. Just kidding. No, that was weird. I came home. That's why she was just, you know, smiling or gringing. Okay, well, she don't know how I work or just what I'm working for. Or what kind of company. Normally it's not my job to do that then. Oh well, what shall I do in the same time? The worst was today actually to wake up at 10 o'clock instead of actually a little earlier for the dentist. You can't do something, you can't go to your construction shop, you know. You should looking shit. Going to shower twice actually in the hall from kind of a 10 hours or something then. So I was saying turn around and just sleep away. Little whiny bay. Tequila. First beer. Thanks a lot again. Tadaimasu, by the way. That's kind of Japanese, is saying welcome back. Can we change the music, man? It's kind of two persons actually working in my brain in the library or something. You wanted to actually this translation from German into some other languages is so weird. And then he asked about having a new music style or something coming rinning in. Tempo nada. This is not calling a tissue. What kind of supply with ash? Whoa. Down below in the description you see a little while here some stuff. If you want to download, that's actually my DjVolgin stuff. As it was actually 11 years coming up a little while. Stopped actually since a year now again. My last album. It's not something special, it's just uncreated. It's just hand creating stuff. So don't take it personal or something about these kind of weird of stuff I'm, you know, created. And also you find actually some Spotify link. Just change it actually from the www to the https. Hontori arigato domo. A little while watching here. Ganbarimasu. Holy mother in hell. Bet that car's ass right. Ring ring. What's going on tonight? Oh gosh. Not restarting. Deal with it. Oh gosh, man. What is wrong with the car? Okay. Oh, mother in hell. 4K only. That's why silver, and I did my best at that time, I think. Ja, die Bordsteinschwalben, ne? What job, mate? These stupid mother gobles. These stupid ash. Runterspülen, die Aschen. Okay, let's try again. Watch out. Yippee-ki-yay! That was a nice one. Woo! My gosh. Sometimes what I'm dripping and what I'm feeling. I don't know. May I just... Every day is different for me. I'm waking up and I totally... Nothing having feelings from the last day. Next vehicle. Came back for the thematic. I'm sorry for that one. Ooh la la. We're leading for again as well. Alright, I'm on. Kind of waking up, having your feelings about the last day, about my talking and thinking, what I just was doing, dealing up. That's from my younghood, you know, the youthhood or something. The stepmother destroyed me, that feeling stuff. So some days I just going to sleep, waking up 3 or 4 hours later. I can't feel actually what I just, you know, feel for a couple of hours ago. Kind of these emotions are just reset or something. And so it's like actually to creating cars, but the suspension work or something is crack after 2 years ago. You don't know how you was feeling to creating the suspension work, right? The tuning it up, dealing with it. Ooh la la la, ooh la boo la boo la. Just kidding, man. Spitful. Tschüss, abgefahren, Schwabi, Salut, soll ich Goldbrechers nicht mehr spielen? Na, bitte nicht, oder? Nicht schon wieder. Actually, a little bit on, kind of saying, that guy is amazing. I have only a 5K, yeah, 4K actually monthly hearers. Enjoy about this guy. He's Russian, Mongolese, but has a nice swanky style. I like it. What's his name? Ever the 8. It's not his real name, but his, you know, artist name. Ever the 8. Doing good. Like to listen about Russian music. I don't know why. Maybe they always a little bit more bassfully, beatfuller or something. I don't know. I don't even know about Russian, about the music style. Here and there they snapped a bit from the world, like UK, German, Froz, Japanese, rock from America. So I always like techno and dubstep dudes or something like these kind of funk music. I like it. Cheers up. Gambarnas. Come up, sweetheart. Drop that. Bring chaos, BMW. Definitely. Armani bitch. I remember that guy. From Australia. That Reaper account on YouTube helped me a bit around in 2 days. He lost his girlfriend, we were talking over this. Good honor. Yeah, actually that's not fair. For all these poo noodles actually that want to watch me, they missing DefRekka account on YouTube, I know that. After 13 years. Got suspended or something on YouTube, Yahoo, actually. Yahoo Japan, you know, they're just getting foreigners right now, actually getting off. Up with the email address. So I lost my Google account, I lost my YouTube account, and I lost actually a lot of cell phone numbers. That pisses me off. My living seat is actually in Sapporo. And so, but I found out I'm a German. I told actually a construction worker about that problem. And so I started up a new Google account. Keep my back sitting in toilet. Not that. Nani? He's dancing his dance. Still peeing, still peeing. God dang, how long? Crap. 80 volts, eh? Chill up. Take a power for some seconds, actually, like actually a car that has about 12 volts. Impressive about these, you know, accuracies and this crack, these DC and stuff. Just thinking about actually my not coming out of this shit, right? Can't speak it out. The dust cleaner, the battery lastly dust cleaner. That's a nice one. Like it. Before the broom. No. Done, something's cracked. Jiggle wiggle. Arigato. Is that window open? Nope. Oh, there we go. Where that actually shoes are. That's a tall crack. Here we go. That's fucking perfume. Ram bam bam bam. Let's see what happened tomorrow. Is it watchable? Or crippled? There we go. Have fun. Get some beer tonight. Get some beer tonight. Get some beer tonight. I just want the information here. Being over 18 years young. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that nose. That's his name. I hope so. Oh my gosh. Tadaimasu. My cigarette was smoking by itself. Crack. Dealing a bit around at the Trust Panorama in Australia. Next vehicle. Another. Hold on. What was that again? Shark GT, Patron GT, BMW versus Mercedes. Aye. What's your problem? Something missing here. Looky look about this one, huh? Let's go, punk. Nighttime? You know, daylight, nighttime, it doesn't matter. And then let's go online with this car. Let's see if this car is even worth to play. Yes, it is, actually, I know. Well, maybe that's just did an upgrade or something to this, you know, game. It already say actually CarX race drifting light or something. What was it again? CarX drift racing light they're calling it right now. Oh, you fuckers, you. Boss is talking about actually something we have to work every day right now, starting up actually construction sites where we have already short work to do done. That's why I'm actually the only guy that works all the times here in the compound for the company. and he willing like I have to do dealing some sub work. I don't want to have to do this dealing done. The 1st March, actually normally 1st April, but 1st March, we started up with normal work time. Man, it pisses me off. I have so many actually projects wanted to deal done actually in the compound. I can't actually end this up before we starting up the normal work. I was so close to say actually, you know that. I'm actually day-wise actually for persons, you know, under the hood I'm working with. That's construction worker because he needs me. I'm watching, you know, I'm working about this plaster guy that need me. And I'm normally actually with somebody else on his hood because we're working outside and doing kind of these gobbles and all this stuff. We just, this is fucking scary. My own boss don't see how many actually needs me. What happened when I'm not there? They have nobody to refill the woodcut facility, cleaning up the compound. Nearby, actually, after work, I'm doing this as dealing as well, finding, actually, sorting and organizing this actually thing. He see me? I'm invisible or something? If I need something, it takes months to get this done, dealed up. But as a construction worker, if you say that word, next day we have to go to this. But I'm waiting for something on him. 4 times he thinks. He just gives a fuck on me. Ordinary outsiders are foreigners saying, actually, I'm not your bitch, mate. I know you very much, but please own me not like I'm your bitch. You bidding us like niggas or something right now? Is this starting all over again? Lucky Son deals with this as well. Huh. I'm already searching actually for actually someone else. Another construction work. I mean, since the old boss just died, this company is not like the same as before. He's just a dream dancer, you know, that's a problem. Like my uncle as well. And we get lesser workers every year. And he's thinking like we can do actually 3 construction sites actually in 1 month. The other actually we have side works as well to get done. Another problems are popping up about the 30 years and stuff like this shit. And he's thinking we are 100 persons or something. Man, I'm already dealing done with 2024 where I have to be all the times and be in here crane driving, construction working, bricklaying, actually doing my kind of digging stuff, you know. It's just so pulling ass. I'm being the same time as the guy on the plastering stuff. What the fuck he's thinking? I'm working 24/7 or something? Getting money out of that 2K or something? Fuck it, man. I see myself actually in 10 years actually dead already, and that's serious. Not even reaching actually the rentable age of 67. Stopping in the pop and bar by 55 actually. Blamage. Gambarimasu. Why's the music so silent? Why's the cars so noisy? 38.
From each other.
Oh, that's a nice digit in here. 44k, that's 405. What the 4, man? Damn it! Oh, 787. Absolutely my online drift car denied. Be prepared. But the music is on 100%, the car's on 69% or something. Why is the car so noisy? Holy crack. Okay, my end result. It is this one in here on the playlist. Enjoy. Oh, I should post something in here. There's the button. Can I now call actually my lost soldier? Responded about his pregnancy, about his girl. There we go, enjoy.
Deaf Nation's CarX DRO 2023 URL.
Navarro beta is research, okay. Shall we go for that? Non-hidden? Or is it with hidden? Maybe he needs actually some company, you know, to make some trophy done. I'm not sure about that one. Time attack. Axle. Okay. Let's go for him. What is daylight? I hate daylight. But I'm okay with this. Alright. Get ready actually to call someone. Tequila's running out. Bruh. Let's see what's going on in here. Let's do actually 20 minutes and then be on mod. See what I can deal with for. $111 miles already deal with that vehicle. Easy girl. Okay, one is playing, the other one is coming in. thought he'd need help. Let's contract him. So you can deal this one done. The wrong person. Oh, you want to have more? Alright, try this one. What the hell, dude? What are you waiting for? He was maybe drinking or something's cracked. Man, he was actually saying, wait! I'm not sure about that one. He's gone. Here we go again. What happened, dude? Okay. Engine off, dude. Why we not invite someone else, man? That's the DP stuff. You don't get owned, the DP? Oh, that's crap, man. What the hell is that? Time attack? Oh, crap, man. I'm fucked up. West Coast area. Rhyme. No, I can deal with this. I can't do. Hold on, okay. He wants to what? Give me that list, mate. So we're changing actually? Oh, come on. But actually this guy needs help. His name was different, I know that. Oh, that's gotta pee then. It's gotta be a disturbing West Coast area session. Ugh. I'm sitting on toilet, making the doodle butter of Bavarian German. Not important. Everywhere, actually, more than 100 million people is actually making doodle butter right now. They're shitting on toilet, goddammit! Wake up! Grease! Run out of toilet paper! Here we go again. I wanna take Yeah, I'm coming, hold on. I refreshing my toilet paper. Oh, what a bumping ass. Oh man, I couldn't even pee. What a weird session. Taraimasu, here we go again. Beer, earplugs, tequila, smoke, and then let's go. Hell. Hey bro, tequila's empty. Vámonos. You're the reason why we're here, Brian. Oh, sorry, mate. Watch my vehicle, dude! Oh man, my paint, dude! What kind of a car you driving at in here tonight? I don't know you, dude. I'm watching. Alright, come on, hold on a sec. Let's see the list. Everybody's gone, and I got the most. Oh, that. Okay, Russian guy. Mm-hmm. I hope you're ready for it. Because I'm not dealing shit. Ganbarimasu. Crack, man. Video plug, goddammit. Ouch. Oh, holy shit, where I'm driving. Time is running, ticking and out. Oh my gosh, I'm so dead. No! Oh my god! DNF game. Nobody there anymore? The Russian is actually there. Ah, fuck that. My mistake. Gomenasai. Marure. Normal besser sind Boden geschissen. Okay, he don't likes it. Gosh. I'm addicted, sweetheart. He is interested about or not? Nope, he don't interest. See what they're doing. Shut up. I'm so lonely in here. On PlayStation 3 that was fun as to connect each other. Someone? Ohio. Konbanwa. That was a mess, man. Okay. The hell's wrong with Night? You cheating? kriegt ja keine DP-Points, das ist das Problem. Du hast gewonnen. Vierte! Alter, es ist so unfair irgendwie. Was ist denn da los? Na komm schon, das hätte ich zweimal zusammengebracht. Ah, das ist nicht fair. Die zählen nicht wirklich die Experience Points together, right? Oh, that's so fucked up, man. Oh, it's time for actually dealing something else. The worst in this game is about the experience points and not going up. He's number 1. Speak not to the lounge. I'm dead inside. Wanna eat, wanna drink a beer, and don't just leave. Watching some nonsense shows. Well, we're talking about European and Russian war. But Americans stock up and Germans stock up. They do nothing about the military. We are just actually in 7 years, we are just bombed actually off anyway. That pisses me so much off while I'm working by myself on the construction work compound. And my boss even don't know what I'm doing. He's not actually the will actually say thank you or something with shit. Fuck off this shit. If I'm losing this company in here, he's not caring about the worker as well. And that pisses me so much off. Doesn't matter if I just going here on the construction work company in here or not, he don't care. He's as cold and then it goes a fuck from you. Next vehicle. Hold on. There was something we tried to do, right? What kind of a car was it again? I think it was this one, right? And make actually something in the West Coast. Because the numbers are a little bit too low in here, even I'm doing itinerary. Wanna reach 3K. Ah, Black IP is not fitting in here right now. Sorry guys. That dull German. Ugh. It's because I'm a construction worker and dealing around with mineral and material you don't touch actually. They say construction worker, but we're actually dealing actually with everything. To change actually my tequila bottle. Be right back. Oh mother in hell. I hate my work, and at the same time I love it. I'm just a bit older. So that's paperwork. Working the care off. Nice. That's for tomorrow. In your hands of development. Hey, what's going on, you unicorns? Just kidding. You're looking great. You have still a stiffy here right now. You know, those grilled as Valentine's Day today. Oh, that looks actually not so bad on you. Who's the stiffy today, huh? Horny. Yeah, life. Tequila. Coming up in my throat. Oh gosh, I got the lemon, right? Nope, that's for something else, for the salad. Vamos. with curve. That was not my willing. Trying a free K. That microphone works anyway? Microphone's off. Microphone's on. Dear. Talking about actually a listing for that I don't want to do. Here we go. Loneliness. There we goes. That Valentine's Days. Ah, somebody smoothie and cuddling around, huh? You gonna recognize these days? Is that only in European or something? This crack, but all over the world? Well, only since my 6th year. Gamarimasu. Yay! Doggone low, 3.7. Here we go. Intinori. A reached. So I have to call actually someone. We talk in German. I'm sorry for that one. A little time to do this one though. So I'm sorry for that one. I'm keeping the calm corner here right now then. I'm not moving. Stucking a bit, be right back. Hold on, let's change actually a core. It should be fit. On this car. The hell? You should prove that car. Okay guys, I'm just calling someone. I'm so sorry. It's about her girlfriend is pregnant and since the last summertime. You know, it's kind of the 8th month right now or something. So I'm surprised. It's the third child after 16 years. They did somehow came together again and having a problem. So I need to call them. I'm so sorry for that one. I don't want to call them badass or something. What happened? These lowy letters actually so much I'm night. Yeah, so I'll let you get with it, but it's German. I'm sorry for that one. So thank you very much for watching here, right? A little while. So catch you later, guys. Really? I want to do that? Let's keep on moving. Be right back. What the hell? Wer ist denn dran? Deine Stimme hat sich ein bisschen geändert. Hast du ein... Ja, deine Handys sind besetzt. Ja, warum auch wohl? Ich sag nur, die laue Sommernacht. Ja, du, was ist da passiert? Möchtest du deine Kinder rausekeln aus dem Heim, dass du sagst, wir kriegen mal was und jetzt müsst ihr jetzt weg? Jetzt ist er da. Bist du immer noch in der Arbeit? Passt schon. WhatsApp? Was ist das? Was ist das für ein Müll? Du kennst mich. WhatsApp? Das sag einmal. Den Schmarrn, den kannst du ja komplett vergessen. Schmarrn? Oh mein Gott. Dabei sind die nicht einmal im Ohr drin. Also Herr Seibel, Alex... mir hat es bloß einer ein bisschen verzeiht und ich bin drauf gekommen selber auf mein eigenes, das habe ich dir heute in der Früh gesagt, dass ich letzten Tag, wo ich die Anrufe wollte, dass ich ein bisschen drauf gekommen bin, da stimmt was nicht. Wenn der Markus mir sagt, na das ist nicht, das ist was Besseres. Was Besseres, was Schönes oder so. Habe ich ewig lang und dann habe ich meine Arbeit vorgesetzt und der Markus ist gefahren nach den Zigaretten und Bier und dann habe ich halt, aber wie gesagt, eine Woche später dann so, was ist denn da los? Ich kenne ja das, so Gaudi halber, und die wird ja auf die Finanzen schauen, wenn du ein Haus kaufst, dass die absetzen kannst. Das war ihrer aufgefallen. Also das kann nicht sein, habe ich noch gesagt. Dann ist es in der Richtung von, da muss was anders sein. Die haben Streitigkeiten da haben. Glaube ich nicht, das glaube ich nicht. Wegen die Kinder oder so. Dann ist so, oh nein. Und dann so wegen Stefan und Simon und das. Da, oh nein. Und dann bin ich halt so drauf gekommen und dann habe ich die angerufen gestern, glaube ich, war das. Und naja. Was hast du gesagt? 1,5 Stunden, glaube ich. Ja. Du tust nur essen, du bist ganz schön fett geworden. Das hat der Markus jetzt gerade gesagt. Nicht ich bin auch fett. Der Markus hat bloß gesagt, der schaut ja unwürdig aus. Da hat er zum Werner gesagt, der ist ja ganz schön fett und auseinandergegangen. So, hey, so schlimm ist jetzt auch nicht, gell? Der Christopher ist auch schon fett geworden seit dem Finsterer. Und dann, die 125 Kilo. Das ist jetzt da der Opferleiden. Ist das mit dem Rücken, wenn du dann auf die Seiten liegst, dass das schon langsam weh wird? Das hat nämlich ich. Mhm. Genau. Ob jetzt das innere Fett ist oder das äußere Fett. Es gibt das innere Fett. Ja, innere Fett gibt's auch. Das darfst du nicht unterschätzen, wenn du Bier trinkst oder irgendwas. Nein, ich sag dir, ich möchte es ja gerade erklären. Das innere Fett, das wächst halt langsam. Aber wenn du nicht bewegst oder was, dann baut sich das nicht ab. Dann baut sich das äußere Fett dann an. Das heißt, wenn das innere Fett nicht zufrieden ist, das abbaut wird über das Jahr oder was, dann baut es auf aus das äußere Fett über die Rippen auf gut Deutsch. Das hab ja ich. Deswegen tun mir die Rippen immer weh, wenn ich seitlich ein bisschen liege und sage, oh mein Gott, irgendwie eine Rippe ist gebrochen oder so. Ja, da musst du wach geben. Ah, da bist du noch 4 Mal schon das Jahr. Am 23. und am 29. darf ich nochmal gehen. 28. Ist der 28? Ich hab die. Ja, das sowieso. Mein Opa, der hat ja mit 50 Jahren hat er schon keine Zähne mehr gehabt. Mein Vater hat mit 42 keine gehabt. Weil die putzen ja gut, aber da ist irgendwas im Blut. Und das ist, hat der Eberli gesagt, der Arzt. Und auch der Doktor selber, der Zahnarzt, der Spangler, der hat auch selber gesagt, okay, das kann vorkommen. Aber die vorherige, die letztes Jahr gestorben ist, am 26. Mai, die haben alle gesagt, sie verarschen mich. Das kann nicht sein, dass das an der DNA oder so liegt. Ja. Aber ich bin schon bald soweit. Alles das, wie heißt das nochmal, das Almagan oder so, tun sie rausflexen und das, dann tun sie wieder eine neue Stopfung rein und der Typ, der jetzt übernommen hat, ich bin so zufrieden. Aber ich bin jetzt auch bei der Ergo, da muss ich nichts zahlen. Du zahlst halt jetzt 6 Monate lang 23 Euro, danach nach dem 7. Monat zahlst du 40 Euro im Monat. Aber du kriegst alles, ob der Kiefer gebrochen ist oder Prothesen oder sonst was, Narkose, alles kriegst du umsonst. Da musst du bloß zur Ergo gehen. Ja. Du möchtest aufhören, oder was? Echt jetzt so schlimm? Oh. Hockst du jetzt gerade und wartest auf Natalie oder Natalie wartet auf dich? Sagst einfach, der blöde Christopher hat wieder die angerufen, wo du wieder Nacketeig gespielt hast und immer, da trifft er dich, als du Nacketeig bist. Ich muss jetzt, also, wie soll ich das sagen? Das müsste dir der Natalie sagen. Das ist ein Vorwand, dass ihr eure 2 Kinder langsam rausekeln wollt. Schon, oder? Alex, was ist da passiert danach? Sehr fix. Was ist? Okay, und wie passiert sowas? Es kann sein, dass Kondom platzt, es kann sein, dass alles Mögliche. War das Liebe, dann ist es in Ordnung. War das, wo man sagt, wunderbar, das gefällt mir, alles gut, ich kenne die ja. Da brauche ich gar nicht besser reden. Das gefällt mich. Ich sag auch kaum was weiter. Also, das musst du selber machen. Ja, genau. Lass der Zeit. Ich hab einfach was, ja. Alex, jetzt warte mal. Ja, bla 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 bla. Du hast das Verbrechen getan. Aber Natalie, was spricht sie? Ist alles in Ordnung bei ihr, wo sie sagt, sie kann noch gebären? Ist das ja? Okay. Möchtest du was ändern in eurem Leben dann? Oder wie ist das? Du, das sind 16, 17 Jahre, weißt du, wo vergangen sind. Wegen der, ja, Tochter halt. Also, du musst da schon Gedanken machen, du wirst ja alt. Du musst da, du weißt die Gedanken, Kindergarten und das und die sind schon dann. Und ich persönlich möchte was fragen, wer ist denn schuld? Wir waren so geil. Jawohl. War deswegen im Urlaub? War es im Urlaub in Italien? Okay. Yay. Das freut mich. Jawohl. Meise passiert. Ja. Na. Mir ist wichtig, dass Nathalie nicht verstirbt wegen sowas. Wegen dem Alter, was du. Da habe ich Angst. Nein, da habe ich Angst, persönlich. Nur, da habe ich Angst. Oh mein Gott. Das freut mich, andererseits mache ich mir Sorgen. Das freut mich. Spielt der Arbeitsgeber mit? Spielt dein... Spielt der Arbeitsgeber mit sowas? Das... Okay. Ja, weil in dem Alter kriegen das erste Kind, ich verstehe schon, aber trotz alledem mal ansprechen und sagen, hey, wie schaut's denn aus? Bin ich dann einmal vaterschaftstechnisch einmal 6 Monate da bei der Firma und sie hat dann einmal... Und die Happiness vom den tappigen Kerl da, der Vater mir, wie war das nochmal? Das habe ich ja direkt rausgehört, ne? Der weiß das auch, oder? Natürlich weiß er das. Ja, sag einmal, das kann ja nicht. Es sieht halt jeder ein bisschen, oder? Du bist ja nicht prominent, dass du sagst, oh, schau mal das Ball oder so. Der glaube ich hat da einen Wurf wieder oder so. Das kannst du nicht bringen, oder? Aber man sieht's halt, gell? Ganz kurze Frage, weil das ist ja so, und das ist wirklich die Endfrage, weil Natalie sorgt sich ja ein bisschen um Kinder und kann das irgendwie sein, dass sie gesagt hat, eigentlich darf schon noch gehen. Ist das dann wirklich das, hast du dich bemühen müssen oder war das so, geh jetzt Alex, auf geht's, geh ins Bett, nein, ich wirf dich schon nicht raus, aber da stimmt was nicht. Alex, ich kenne dich lang nur und Natalie auch. Und das freut mich so dermaßen. Aber innerlich komme ich gerade nicht zurecht, wo ich sage, wow, mit dem Alter jetzt noch, jetzt sind die schon erwachsen und jetzt, wie wird das behandelt, das süße Kindelein? Oh, ich weiß schon. Ich habe heute wieder beim Revi eine angeschaut, wo ich gesagt habe, bist du schon 21? Ja, weil es Valentinstag ist oder was? Ja, ich weiß schon. Na, arbeitest du bei meinem Finsterer drüben, da arbeitest du bei meinem Finsterer drüben, da wo die Aschen überall in die ganzen Räume sind und die musst du werkeln und dann kommst du bei Rewe und tust dann die Dosen abgeben und dann siehst du jemanden. Selbst da, wo ich heimgekommen bin, im ganzen Augen war ich schwarz, im ganzen Gesicht. Wie so ein Depp, der was ich nicht abwaschen kann oder was. Ich hab bloß 2 Stunden gearbeitet nach dem Zahnarzt. Ja, genau. Das sind die jungen Dirndl. Nein, lassen wir das mal bleiben. Also wie gesagt, es freut mich sehr. Nicht nur das, darf ich nur fragen, wie lange dauert es denn noch? Nicht, dass mir die Anrufer... Oder mal früher, das ist eher der Fall. Aber... Ich kenne Markus, aber der sagt allerweil Grillfest oder so ein Schmarrn, aber das können wir nicht bringen, also eher dann im August. Okay, passt schon. Ja, freilich. Ja, natürlich. Total, verstehe ich. Ja. Oh. Weißt du da schon was nach 7 Monaten? Weißt du da schon was? Weil ich habe ja eigentlich den Stefan ein Geschenk gehabt, das kann ich nicht schenken, weil sie ja Dirndl geworden ist. Aber sie ist ja in der Feuerwehr. Und dann habe ich mir gedacht, fix, dann musst du noch was dazu kaufen und das und das für Eigen, für Geisenfeld e.V. Ich hätte da schon Geschenke, aber das leckt mich am Arsch. Dass du da so dazu kommst, dann muss ich gleich wieder Tiki da bringen. Respekt. Jawohl. Nein, tu das, passt schon, alles gut. Ruf mich an, wenn einmal da hast Sorgen. Warum morgen? Warum wollen wir telefonieren? Ich habe alles gesprochen mit dir. Wenn du Sorgen hast, bitte ruf mich an. Okay? Finanziell habe ich es gemeint. Und weh, du lässt sie arbeiten. Ich schick die sonst wo hin. Auf den Drittjob. Wenn du jetzt Zeitung austragst oder Pizza austragst, ich sag's dir, gell? Ja, meine ich ernst. Okay, Alex, das kriegst du. Was das Gute ist, du hast einen Fahrt mir. Und der Fahrt mir hilft dir ganz günstig. Das ist kein Dummkopf nicht. So. Jawohl. Kannst du bitte dann Natalie einen schönen Gruß ausrichten? Ich weiß von gar nichts, sagst du hier einfach. Ah, scheiße, ich bin schon mittendrin. Wow. Okay. Was davor habe ich gemeint, Natalie hat das Auto irgendwo dagegen gefahren, der Audi ist Brand. Und der Alex zynisch ohne Ende und der muss irgendwo anders die hinziehen, die sind geteilt. Der Markus so, nein, im Gegenteil, das ist ganz andere Richtung. Bitte sag mir einfach nicht mehr, ich rufe mal selber an. Das war so, wo ich mir dachte, um Gottes Willen, was kann jetzt da passiert sein? Du hast von dem Haus erzählt und das, was du mal anlegen wolltest du den Schmarrn, dass sie das nicht weiß. Aber die Finanzen wissen es aber. Aber jetzt, das ist, wow. Dankeschön, das ist schön. Alex, hab einen schönen Abend, sie fix. Freuen Sie deine, naja, wie soll ich sagen, deine Tochter und dein Sohnemann, freuen Sie sie? Was? Wer? Ist der Flo dran schuld? Na, glaube ich weniger. Hat sie mehrere? Heute ist Valentinstag, Meister. Nein, Valentinstag, Meister. Du hast es verbrochen. Du bist der Mann. Na, okay. Ich wünsche euch alles Gute, aber wir hören uns noch. Alex, mach herzig, gell? Hab ich dir schönen Abend noch, gell? Hab ich dir. Vierte. Oh man. Sag das wenn zu mir noch zu fix. Ich bin bei der Zeit. Wo sind meine Hände? Aus der Tasche raus. Ich bin bereit. Oh, was ist gefährlich mit mir? Nein. Ah, verdammt. Das freut mich. Oh mein Gott. Kann die gleich 2 noch anfangen. Warum? Ich bin stolz drauf. Das freut mich so tierisch, dass ich 2 noch anfangen muss. Oh. Dang. Das ist so schön. Jetzt hätte ich niemals gedacht. Ohne Scheiß. Aber warum nicht? Bei denen nicht klappt alles. Wer kocht wieder? Wer macht das alles? Die beten, die Speibtöten, Windeln. Oh mein. Jetzt sind schon so ein bisschen älter geworden. Naja, so wie man denkt, kriegst du das, aber anscheinend hat sich das auch gehört, wie das ist so wie eine Zahnarztwurzelbehandlung, kein Problem. Boah, Alter, Respekt. Der hat Familie, ich hab keine. Deswegen ist ja das Problem da, dass ich kein Kind nicht hab, dass ich keine Freunde nicht hab, weil mich keiner unterstützt. Boah, aber das ehrt mich sehr. Mein Arbeitskollege, ehemaliger Arbeitskollege, mit dem ich wirklich lang gearbeitet habe. Oh, das ist so schön. Diese dämlichen guten Zeiten immer. Juhu! Chill up. Oh gosh. Soll er selber entscheiden, wer es wissen darf oder nicht. Aber das freut mich. Wirklich, ohne Scheiß. Gott wird Natalie. Tja, wenn es eine Komplikation gibt, dann wirf ich den Arbeitstag nieder oder dann nimm mir einen Bus und dann fahre ich dann ins Krankenhaus. Ist mir scheißegal. Das ist schön. Das hätte man nicht gedacht. Wow, das gefreut mich tierisch. Die Kinder, das ist verständlich, aber naja, hallo? Der Vater und Mutter. Vielleicht ist jetzt so der Fakt, dass das kleine Kindelein mehr Intelligenz besitzt als ich zwar. Ist mir egal. Ich bin da für ihn. Wenn die Taufe ist, bin ich da. Ich hab so lange mit ihm zusammengearbeitet und ich meine, ich kann es nicht erklären, aber es ist wie ein Bruder für mich. Ich sag's nicht so, aber da kann ich nicht Nein sagen. Okay. Das heißt, sie wird schwanger, so in der Richtung, und ich hock hier rum und zock diese scheiß Spiele und was, wie? Ich werde fetter. Bin da ein bisschen durchtrainiert, aber nee, das geht so nicht. Ist ja schlimm, oder? Okay, machen wir erstmal weiter. Lass mal sehr nervös werden lassen. Trotzdem freut es mich tierisch, Alter. Das war vor 2 Wochen, oder? Ja. Yay. Dritte Kind, Alter. Ich habe nicht mal eins. Und ich brauch's ja nicht in dem Sinne, weil ich werde gehasst. Ich bin kein normaler Mensch. Wie es noch gesagt hat, da bin ich ein bisschen schockiert gewesen. Jetzt wird's Zeit für mich. Ja, ich weiß. Aber trotzdem, das ist ein Schwung in meinem Leben. Es ist schön. Macht mich glücklich. 2024! Scheiß drauf, was kommt. Ich habe eine Person, die jemanden hat, das irgendwie mich glücklich macht. Yay! Cheers up! Okay. Comparimas. Warum ist der Ventilator-System? Warte mal. Mal Stage 2. Nicht darüber. There we go. Ah, das ist wieder gewollte 1 cm Zigarillo. I'm sorry, wrong corner. Oder bin kurz davor, dass ich einen Führerschein mache. Warum? Ich will, kann ich nicht. Ich kann nicht Auto fahren. Dann lass das lernen, Alter. Lass das Bier für die Tage weg. Dang. Für die Tage einfach das Bier weglassen. Es ist 21 Uhr. Kann ich den Wolfgang da rufen? Es ist wirklich was, ich hab's Lenkrad, muss hier Ich glaube, ich schaffe das nicht. Ich habe Angst davor. Das ist der perfekte Zeitpunkt, ihn anzurufen. Möchtest du wirklich den Führerschein machen? Es ist ein schwieriges Thema, ehrlich gesagt. Ich möchte ihn haben, aber es ist in unserer Firma und das. Ich schaue mir dafür. Oh mein Gott, es ist sehr viel Arbeit. So, jetzt machen. In America is so, you're just driving a car, your own car, just going actually to a license. And you're just doing it, dealing it done with your car, because kind of insurance or something with your car. It just gives you a license actually for a car driving before 18 years. That's crazy. Can you deal with it? Is er een Notaufall? Es wird Zeit. Es wird Zeit. Was? Ich gehe persönlich bei ihm, aber ihr doch einmal. Was denn los ist? Jemand nochmal. Dann muss ich es hinter mir bringen, oder?
Hello all. URL. Def Nations CarX DRO. 2023 URL.
Sehr witzig. Für die Zukunft. Wolfgang, der Christopher, Regensburger Straße 21, 27, was war das nochmal im Dachgeschoss? Finsterer Maurer, der Hans Finsterer Maurer, ich war derjenige, der du kommst schon irgendwie drauf. Es ist ich habe jetzt gerade erfahren, dass jemand ein Kinderleihung bekommt im späten Alter und ich habe mir so Gedanken gemacht wegen meiner Fahrschulprüfung, weil ich habe das damals beim Höppel in Mainburg nicht beendet. Hätte eine Chance gehabt beim Schönhuber, wie gesagt, umsonst das zu machen. Also ich habe sein Bilder gebaut habe und sein Lager für die Fahrschule Schönhuber und was nicht, was das Problem ist bei mir, ich habe einfach Angst vor dem Fahren. Ich weiß nicht, ob ich das in den Griff kriege. Es ist beim Finsterer so, man fährt halt jeden Tag wohin für Kleinigkeiten und kommt wieder zurück zu der Gruppe. Aber ich bin halt, ich habe ein bisschen Angst vom Führerschein. Jetzt bin ich gerade beim Zahnarzt allerweil und es ist so, Ereignisse kommen und gehen und die wollen kommen und ich bin ein bisschen ziellos, ehrlich gesagt, ob ich das da schaffe mit 36 Jahren, ob ich noch einen Führerschein anfangen kann bei einer, also bei Wolfgang, Entschuldigung. Also das weiß ich eben nicht. In der Maurerarbeit, ja. Das Problem ist einfach bloß, selbst wenn schon das Kupplung schalten und das geht, ich möchte ja gar nicht, dass ich da irgendwie automatisch rumfahre. Ich tue ja selber, jetzt sage ich mal nebenbei, wenn ich jetzt mal Livestream oder was, einmal irgendwelche Driftspiele und das, man schaltet am Controller selber und den Schmarrn, aber ich bin mir nicht sicher, ob ich das im richtigen Leben standhaft irgendwie hinkriege, dass ich mal Auto fahren kann. Im Hof ein bisschen rumfahren, Gabelstapler fahren oder Lader fahren, also ist kein Thema, aber Autofahren, das ist schwierig für mich. Okay. Okay, was war das gerade nochmal? Scheiße. Okay, ja, ja. Seit wann ist denn das? Ich hab mir jemand gesagt, wenn du schaltermäßig, also wenn du automatisch fährst, musst du mal, ach Schmarrn, echt? Oh, die geschissen Amerikaner. Passt schon. Ich habe mich gestern erkundigt so in der Richtung von den Amerikanern, die fahren ja, die nehmen ein eigenes Auto wegen der Versicherung und die fahren dann einfach eine Fahrstunde und dann hast du in der Prüfung bestanden. Was ist denn das für ein Müll? Das geht doch gar nicht. Ich meine, den Europa-Führerschein oder den Euro-Führerschein, den habe ich ja verstanden, dass jeder den aufmachen kann, in Tschechien oder Bulgarien oder sonst wo. Aber dass das in Deutschland so schwierig ist, das ist schon wieder. Aber ich habe einfach Angst davor. Ich möchte kein Neu fahren. Ich möchte nirgendwo irgendwie, aber da ist halt die Angst da. Wegen der Versicherung und in Deutschland ist schon krass, oder? Ah, okay, Wolfgang, ich möchte dich nicht stören. Wann darf ich mich anmelden bei dir? Ach so, Entschuldigung. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Wow, okay, kein Thema. Gibt's da Lebensversicherung auch noch, da wo ich sag, die muss ich auch noch vorweisen? Hahaha. Du hast Angst, ja, ich hab Angst, das ist das Problem. Du kennst mich von da oben, aber okay, das kriegen wir hin. Gut. Mhm. Okay, das hilft nicht. Ich muss mich bemühen, das hilft nicht. Jawohl. Das hat nichts mit dem Finsterer zu tun, dass der Finsterer gesagt, ich brauche den Führerschein, aber jetzt heute habe ich einen Arbeitskollegen, den kennst du ganz gewiss auch, den Seibel Alexander. Und der hat gesagt, der kriegt das dritte Kind nach 18 Jahren, wo ich gesagt habe, jetzt muss ich was ändern. Das kann nicht sein. Und deswegen, ich war so, da musst was ändern in deinem Leben. Ich lebe allein seit meinem Lebenslang und das und irgendwie, nein, nicht wegen Baustelle überhaupt. Einfach Gaudi halber, weil man sagt, es braucht, ich habe ja schon angefangen damals, da war ich 16 Jahre alt, da habe ich damals oben beim Höppler in Moorburg angefangen und das und das, ich habe es aufgegeben. Dann kam Bundeswehr, dann kam der Schönhuber, dann habe ich gesagt, nein, es geht nicht, dann war ich vom Ettenhuber weg, von der Baufirma, dann bin ich zur Finsterer gekommen und das hat sich alles so verzogen, das hätte nicht gehört. Na okay. Egal, ob es jetzt 6000 Euro kostet, das interessiert mich jetzt einfach bloß, Kimi damit klar, das ist mein Problem. Ich mein, okay. Wolfgang, Dankeschön. Hab einen schönen Abend. Merci. Dann schaue ich am Dienstag vorbei nächste Woche. Dankeschön, gell? Merci. Auf Wiedersehen. Vierte. Oh, natürlich kennt er dich. Ah, Das soll kaum wissen, oder? Mach ich. Entspann dich, Alter. Entspann dich, Alter. Ich hab langsam die Schnauze voll, oder? Das geht doch absolviert, Alter. Wenn der selber schon sagt, du bist ein gestandener Mann, will. Ja, also. So Schiss davor, Alter. Ich werde das, weißt, es ist nicht so, ich kann halt einfach nicht fahren. Umso schneller es über 40 geht, das ist mein Problem. Ich glaube, ich mache mir wieder viel zu viel Gedanken, Alter. Steht. Offiziell jetzt angemeldet. Mach dich bitte. Ah. Ich bin schon innerlich tot, oder? Okay, das kriegst schon. Warum machst du dir den Stress? Weil ich's brauch. Oh shit. Okay guys, I'll be right back. I just with my oldness. I never just actually did a car license, right? And the next week I have my first hour. I mean, I just did it a little while. So I should actually get ready for that one. I have to actually aim the fear. It's the worst. I can drive everything, but it's just this car driving. It makes me pointless, senseless, fucked up. Nervous like actually somebody is actually going on a bicycle or something. Just driving, okay, I can do bicycle driving or something, no problem. Mountain bike or something. But a car to drive, there's so amount actually the fear about who's just doing something else. And this option, you're driving and drifting and rally and drifting cars in a virtual reality. I fear myself. I will be the worst driver ever he ever saw. And he knows me already, and it's in 2 years. Oh my gosh, I can't sleep anymore. I thought actually my tooth pressure and all these stuff to get actually dentist gets worse. Nah, we getting worse this year. I think it is the perfect moment. Somebody have a baby coming up burning, and I mean born. and we have 4 times the job to deal done, been all the times the idiots, and we getting maybe to construction work in our company we can't deal or want to deal. Let's see what's going on. Actually, we are praised to say actually we want to them actually, but you know, the last 2-3 construction workers they snatched in here, that was unbelievable and not good for our company. Let's deal this year with a fucking license chip as well. Come on, Chris. If my heart stops, my heart stops. Then my blood pressure was over 240. Come on, dude. It's time. It's time. Everybody's dealing with so many. Don't give up. Ich will nicht jedes Mal immer sagen, was du falsch machst, aber ich könnte gewisslich besser. Die VW ist noch. Ich hasse VW in der Hinsicht. Draufgeschissen, Alter. Wenn der Wolfgang schon daher schmatzt, der hat schon einiges hinter sich. Wird schon. Wird schon. Definitiv. I need to actually, what I have to do? Oh, come on. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is bullshit. 24 hours rules. Aren't they? Okay, okay. If you're just living alone like myself and you have no father, no mother, no one, they're only just getting you into this but not helping you meanwhile, and I have no one even to get into this. This is my free will. Let's see, let's just try by 2k on money. If I don't can approve this one, I give up, but maybe not give up, but let's see what's happening, right? Under the quitter. I don't want to quit. I mean, kind of close to 3 years I'm doing this drifting. Before that drifting, I was actually more than 12 years in the rally. To do in Germany a license for a car is a lot of effort. Not easy. This is not gonna be easy. It's time. You getting grown up, huh? Punk? 2 years no alcohol, huh? This is gonna be actually normal, okay. That's okay for me. Maybe get so much sober I get a girlfriend. Maybe. This is oh gosh. You have some directions, sir? You're starting up actually my part. Where the hell is that street? Can't actually afford it about some people actually like me, even can't drive a car, to watching the same time as the GPS system. You little bastard. Get yourself on the way. Be happy you came close home and is saying, okay, that was fun as. This is gonna be lousy. He's on that in 7 minutes, okay. And I'm cheering about my license. Eureka. Hey, come, let's go to Model Combat. Yeah, I'm going to Model Combat. It makes no sense. Be right back. Thank you very much for having you guys. Thank you very much. So inside that, arigato domo. Be right back. Thank you very much, guys.